And then you apply the resistance in extension. So this is grade 4, grade 5 position. Okay? And then grade 2. And then grade 3. Okay? And then 1-0 palpation. Kuha?
Yes.
Alara. Grade 3.
Okay? Grade 2.
Oh, grade 2.
Grade 3, ana.
Okay? And then ang katong mga fingers bitaw, you can kanang do a kanang shake hands sa iyong patient.
Naga po na
Okay, sir, try to
resisted.
kanang compress my, you can modify good.
Compress my
Compress naman, press my fingers or sa ba, you can use also kanang bitang pinch grip.
Ato sa wax, may sa kandila. Pwede na.
Dili sad, kay wala mo siya gauge. Okay, and then what else? Abduction, adduction, pwede. Okay? Flexion, extension, kung inyuhang individual ba. Okay, what else? And then the thumb, individual resistance. Okay? If you have, kanabitaw, basta class, please remember lang, please do not forget the gravity. Ha? Kung grade 4 and grade 5, with gravity, yun na siya. As well as grade 3. Kaso lang si 4 and 5 with manual resistance, si grade 3 is only the gravity. Okay? And then the 2, it's gravity eliminated position. So you modify the position of the patient or change the position of the patient. Kuha? Yes.
Nasa sa book na.
Manangis?
Nana sa book, miss, no? Stop, no, stop.
Asa na ba?